Rockford homeowners experience dramatic seasonal shifts throughout the year, from freezing winters and strong winds to warm, humid summers and mild spring and fall weather. With these changes, your windows play a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable, energy efficient, and protected from the elements. Choosing the right replacement windows isn't just about appearance, it's about selecting products designed to perform in Rockford's ever-changing climate. Here's what homeowners should consider when choosing replacement windows for year-round comfort in Rockford. Insulation that handles extreme temperatures. Rockford's cold winters demand windows with strong insulating capabilities. Single-pane or older double-pane windows often allow heat to escape, leading to drafts and higher heating bills. Modern replacement windows offer double or triple pane glass for improved insulation. Argon or krypton gas fills that slow heat transfer. Warm edge spacer systems that reduce condensation. These features help keep warm air inside during winter and reduce heat gain during summer, creating consistent indoor comfort. Low E glass for seasonal efficiency. Low emissivity, low E glass coatings are essential for managing heat transfer in climates like Rockford's. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter. Low E glass helps reflect indoor heat back inside during winter. Block excessive solar heat in summer. Reduce glare from bright sunlight. Protect furniture and flooring from UV damage. This balance makes low E glass a must-have for year-round energy efficiency. Window styles that support comfort and ventilation. Choosing the right window style affects both insulation and airflow. Some styles naturally seal tighter, while others excel at ventilation. Popular options for Rockford homes include casement windows, which provide a tight seal and excellent airflow. Double-hung windows, offering flexible ventilation and easy cleaning. Sliding windows, ideal for wide openings and smooth operation. Selecting the right style for each room helps manage airflow without sacrificing efficiency. Durable frame materials built for seasonal changes. Rockford's freeze-thaw cycles, humidity, and storms require window frames that won't warp or crack over time. Recommended frame materials include vinyl, known for insulation and low-maintenance. Fiberglass, offering strength and minimal expansion. Composite frames, designed for long-term stability. These materials maintain tight seals and reliable performance through seasonal changes. Weather-resistant sealing and installation. Even the best windows won't perform properly without proper sealing and installation. Gaps around frames allow drafts, moisture, and outdoor noise to enter the home. Professional installation ensures accurate sizing and alignment. Proper insulation around the frame. Secure exterior flashing and caulking. Long-lasting weather resistance. This is especially important during Rockford's windy and wet seasons. Noise reduction for stormy and windy days. Strong winds and storms can bring increased noise levels. Multi-pane replacement windows help reduce sound transmission, creating quieter indoor spaces. Benefits include less noise from wind and traffic. Improved comfort during storms. A more peaceful home environment. Noise reduction is an added bonus of energy-efficient windows. Long-term value and comfort. Quality replacement windows are an investment that pays off over time. In Rockford, homeowners benefit from lower energy bills, improved indoor comfort year-round, enhanced curb appeal, increased home value. Modern windows also require less maintenance, saving time and effort. Smart window choices for every Rockford season. Choosing the right replacement windows is essential for navigating Rockford's changing seasons comfortably and efficiently. By focusing on insulation, low E glass, durable frames, appropriate styles, and professional installation, homeowners can enjoy consistent comfort no matter the weather. If you're planning a window upgrade, selecting replacement windows designed for Rockford's climate ensures your home stays warm in winter, cool in summer, and comfortable every day in between.